Have you been trying to manifest, but nothing seems to shift? Let me gently say this, it's not because the universe isn't listening, it's because your energy might be speaking a different language. 1. You are saying you want it, but deep down, you don't believe you deserve it. 2. You are holding on too tightly, constantly checking when, how, who. 3. You are manifesting from fear, not from faith. 4. Or maybe, you are just not trusting the divine timing. Let us understand the reasons. 1. Misaligned intentions. You are saying you want something, but your true inner desire or subconscious belief says otherwise. The universe listens to your energy, not just your words. For example, saying you want abundance but secretly believing, I never have enough. 2. Limiting beliefs. Old programming like, I am not worthy, it's too late, or, I always fail, silently cancels out your efforts. These beliefs create resistance in your field. Here's a tip, journal out your core beliefs and rewrite them into empowering ones. 3. Emotional blockages. Unresolved grief, anger, fear, or resentment lower your vibration. Manifestation works best when you are in alignment with love, trust, and gratitude. Heal before you manifest, or your manifestation energy gets distorted. 4. Impatience or attachment to outcome. Constantly checking for results or obsessing over when it'll happen creates a vibration of lack and neediness. This pushes the very thing away. Manifestation is like planting a seed. Water it, trust the soil, and don't dig it up every day. 5. Acting out of fear, not faith. If your actions are motivated by desperation, anxiety, or comparison, the frequency is misaligned. The universe matches energy, not action alone. Aligned action means moving from a space of knowing it's already done. 6. Not taking inspired action. Manifestation isn't only mental or energetic, it's a co-creation. Ignoring nudges, gut instincts, or synchronicities blocks the channel. Intuition is your compass. If you're guided to call someone, write something, or go somewhere, do it. 7. Vague or scattered intentions. If your desires aren't clear, the results will be mixed or absent. The universe responds best to clarity and specificity. Try scripting or visualization to sharpen the vision of your desired reality. 8. Manifesting from ego, not soul. If your desire is rooted in comparison, vanity, or external validation, it may not align with your soul's path. The universe blocks what's not for your highest good. Ask yourself, is this coming from my heart or my wound? 9. Not trusting the divine timing. You may be ready, but the people, places, or events involved might still be aligning. Divine timing isn't delayed, it's orchestration. 10. Lack of gratitude for the now. Being too focused on what's missing creates an energy of lack. Gratitude for your current reality opens space for more blessings. Gratitude is a magnet. If you want more, then appreciate what already is. You don't need to chase it. You need to align with it. Shift the energy, and the reality will follow. Trust, release, receive.